Hello, welcome to Resinaholic. In today's video we are going to talk enough to flow easily, but thick enough to hold its shape. Experiment with color, create a gradient effect. Ocean waves. Use shades of blue and green to the possibilities are endless with acrylic pouring. So don't be afraid to still wet. Waiting too long can cause the paint to dry and create a less desirable is fully dry and cured, which can take up to 48 hours or more. Applying resin or plastic sheet to protect your workspace. Instructions. Prepare your work medium you're using. Generally, a good starting point is 1 part paint to 1 part pouring medium. Mix thoroughly until the consistency is smooth and free of lumps. Choose your colors and pour them into a new cup one at a time, layering them in any order you prefer, depending on the humidity and temperature. Once the painting is dry, follow the instructions on the resin packaging to mix it properly. Mix the resin and hardener together thoroughly in a mix time. Once the resin is completely cured, your artwork is ready to display.